Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to set a stop loss on Merrill. So guys, the first step you need to do, log in your account with your user, and after that guys, what you have to do, go to trade option as you can see here. After go to trade option, select the trade and choose the stock, the relevant or security type you want to stop loss. And after that guys, what you have to do, select the security and search for stock if you wish to stop loss. And after that, enter the ticker symbol. And after that guys, what you have to do, choose order type and choose this order type from here. After that guys, what you have to do, set up your stop loss and click buy on sell. After before choose your order, select on buy and sell. After that, set up your order or stop loss and choose the option and enter stop loss pricing you want to price from here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.